Welcome to our video series about our visibility portal ManagedXchange. In this video, we will cover the basics of completing a turnaround for those fulfilling expected documents on the site. In order to begin fulfilling your expected documents, you will navigate to the needed document by opening the conversation from the dashboard, or more likely, searching for the documents through the search bar or research menu. Open the conversation and begin the expected document by clicking on the link in the bottom left of the box. For example, an ASN will have a Create Ship Notice Manifest link, and invoices have a Create Invoice link. Clicking on the link will load a template with fields you need to fill in. Mandatory fields have an asterisk in the field name, and the document will not allow you to send without filling in the required fields. Many fields will be filled in for you with the information that can be pulled from the source document. For example, an advanced ship notice turned around from a purchase order will have the purchase order number, date, and item information filled in, but you would still need to fill in fields like the ship notice number, the date, and information about the shipment. If you need to return to the document to finish completing the turnaround at a later time, you can choose to click Save to save your work so far as the draft. Once you have the document complete, you can choose to click Send to send the document out. The Validate button will review the information to ensure all mandatory fields are filled in and performs a few preliminary data checks, such as ensuring data with a max character length is not exceeded. This validation is also performed when clicking the Send button. If an error is found, the errors will be listed at the top of the screen with a Click to View button. Clicking on that button will take you directly to the field in error. When you send a document, the conversation will update the document link to say View instead of Create. Once the document is processed and transmitted, the box will update to display the document number, transmitted date and time, and a PDF is available to view. Occasionally, the need arises to make a correction to a document and resend it. Once the document has been transmitted, the link to create a document will no longer show. However, opening the transmitted document will have a document view, a source view, and a resend option at the top. Click on the resend and select the document you want to create. This will load the document you need to create, but with the fields filled in for when it is transmitted. This way, you can quickly and easily make a correction and send out the document again. What happens when you need to fulfill a document that is not showing in the conversation, but you don't need to resend it? For example, you receive a purchase order that will require 2 shipments. You send an ASN for the first shipment, and that ASN is showing in the conversation. The second shipment is now ready to ship, and you need to create the second ASN. At the top right of the conversation, you will see a button labeled Create Document. Select the document you want to create, an 856 in this example, and the source document, 850 from our example, to load a document with empty fields. Complete it like you would normally and send when ready. This concludes our video on completing turnarounds on ManagedXchange. To learn more about the ManagedXchange platform, check out our next video in the series. If you have any questions, please contact your dedicated support team for assistance.